Good morning, everybody. We are here at Aquatica, and we are here to ride this thing, Riptide Race. It is the, let me see if I get this correct, the world's tallest dueling racing water slide. So, and I believe we're gonna go check out some food and stuff later. And but first, we're gonna go take a ride on this thing. So let's go check it out. So here's a quick view of Riptide Race from the bottom of the slide. As you can see, it is a dueling water slide, and you can see some of the parts like this straightaway here that has the jets that push the these two spots right here. They have the jets that push the your tube along. So we're gonna go check it out. The sun is in a really bad spot right now for video. I apologize. The rafts for Riptide Race are two-person rafts, as you can see here. I got them all lined up here for you to ride. But you can ride solo, as some of these people just showed you. To kind of give you an idea of where Riptide Race is, this is the Aquatica parking lot right here. So it's kind of, there's the parking toll booths right there. So it's kind of here in the, squeezed back here in the corner of the park, to give you an idea of where it is approximately. As always, you get some fantastic views of SeaWorld Orlando's coasters from Riptide Race. So here's the weight requirements for Riptide Race. One rider, 250-pound maximum weight. This is where it gets interesting. For two riders, it's a 400-pound maximum weight altogether. And then each individual rider cannot exceed 250 pounds. Pretty cool look at all the open air sections where you can wave to your competitor as you're zipping by. There's a couple of these open air segments where you can wave at your competitor. And here is the loading platform for Riptide Race. Each person loads in the same kind of pool area. And there's the green light. And you go right down into the tube. And this side goes this way, and then the other side goes that way, and there they go. So I just got off Riptide Race. Really fun slide. It's actually perfectly designed because, as it's mentioned, it is a dueling racing coaster. So there are, as you saw in the previous footage that I just showed you guys, there's segments that are open air, so you can like, hey, wave to your buddy as you guys are racing. But here, let me turn around so you can see it. You really zip through these like little helix parts. And then you kind of slow down the straightaway parts right there. So you, like I said, you can kind of wave at your buddy, go, hey, what's up, dude? I'm kicking your butt, or, you know, whatever. But yeah, it's a really fun slide. Yeah, I liked it. It's a fun design. It's perfectly designed for that racing atmosphere, that competitive atmosphere, as you race through the helixes, and then you kind of slow down for a few seconds to wave to your buddy, and then keep going all the way to the end and splash down. Now, also new is this Kiri, I'm guessing I'm saying that right, Kiri's Bar, where you can get some cocktails. You can get, they have beer. I think they have beer on tap, I think. And they have food over here too, so you can grab a little bite to eat and hang out. I believe it was a former part of this, the Banana Beach cookout restaurant over here, and they just kind of turned it into like this little bar kind of corner area. So we were actually catered food over by the water slide earlier, which was just boneless wings and empanadas, which you can actually purchase here at this new Papa's Cantina. It's actually located over on the other side of the park. Here's Waterstone Grill. This is kind of, I think this is the entrance right here. I'm not familiar with Aquatica. But yeah, it's this little trailer right here, and they do have, they had all this food out for us to try. It was good. They had beef empanadas. I tried the beef and cheese one. I did not try the spinach and artichoke one. I tried both the boneless wings. They were really good. And then they have a special. You can get 4 empanadas and some boneless wings for 25 bucks. And then for drinks, they have bottled Coke products. And you can get some alcohol here. Alrighty, everybody, that's it here from Aquatica Orlando with the new Riptide Race water slide, the world's tallest racing, dueling water slide. I think I got that right. So anyways, fantastic addition to the water park. One of the many, many awesome slides they have here at Aquatica Orlando. If you're ever out in the Orlando area, be sure to hit up Aquatica Orlando. Such a fun park. So many different varieties of slides for you to choose from. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. As always, be sure to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And take care, be safe, wear a mask, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.